For this activity, we're going to do some counting and combining sets. So I'm going to use the die. I'm going to roll the die and put each number that I roll. So if I roll a 3, I would put 3 counters. And if I roll a 5, I put 5 counters. And then we can combine the sets and see how much it equals all together. So I'm going to roll each die separately. 4 and 1. So let me get my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So how many altogether? So if we push them all down to the bottom, take them down, this is where we're going to combine the set, and we can count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together we have 5. Okay, so that was an example. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again, and get your counters ready, because you can make your set, and then we'll put it all together to see how much you get. So put 1 counter. Ooh, and another. So 1 and 1. Go ahead and get your counters. Okay, so we have 1 and 1. How many all together? 2. When we put it together. Okay, so we're going to do some more. 4 counters. 5 counters. Go ahead and get your counters ready. 4 and 5. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 4 and 5 counters. Now we have to put them all together to see how many we have. 4 and 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 all together. So what I'm going to do is I'll do some more of these. I want you to go ahead and put your counters on, bring it down, count all together, and I'll give you a minute to count up the total, and then I will tell you how many are all together. So let's roll it again. 1, 5. So go ahead and put your counters down. Okay, so we have 1 counter and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. So now we need to find out how many all together. So let's bring them down. All together. So all together there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do some more. Get ready. Get ready with your counters. 4. Ooh. 6. Put your counters on. 4 and 6. Okay, now I'm going to move them all down. If you ever have to pause the video just to give yourself more time, you can do that. So we have, now we have to count. So let me put them in a row here. And I'll use my finger and you count with me. How many did you count? So 4 and 6 together is 10. 10. All right, so let's roll it again. All right, let me get there. So we're going to do 2 more. 3. And 1. So put your counters down. Opposite of that. It's 3 orange and only 1 green. Okay, now we're going to put them all together. So 3 and 1 all together equals how many did you count? 4. All together, it's 4. Okay, so let's do another one. This will be our last one. 2 and 5. So get your counters on the cards. Okay, so we have 2 counters and 5 counters. So all together, when we push them down to the bottom, we're going to count them. So I'm going to point to them, you count with me. So 2 and 5 all together is 7. Okay, so that's something we'll keep practicing. So good job with that.